Welcome to Wonder Wiggles! One is for one apple. One. Can you say one? Two is for two balls. One, two. Can you say two? Three is for three cats. One, two, three. Can you say three?
Four is for four ducks. One, two, three, four. Can you say four?
Five is for five stars. One, two, three, four, five. Can you say five?
Six is for six fish. One, two, three, four, five, six. Can you say six? Seven is for seven balloons. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Can you say seven? Eight is for eight hats. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Can you say eight? Nine is for nine oranges. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Can you say nine? 10 is for 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you say 10? Bye-bye! See you soon!